In this video, I will show you two type of Elementor transparent header. In the first header, I will create this type of simple transparent header that will look like this. And in the second step, it's also the same transparent header, but once we scroll, it will have a semi-transparent background color and stick to the top, and also this will shrink the height, also the text and logo size, just like this. So I will also give you the downloadable files that will contain these two different JSON file, so you can download them and import on your website and make edit to meet your need. In the background, I removed all the customization, and now my header looks like this. To make it transparent, it's very simple. Go to your header. I first of all go to your theme builder and find the header and edit it. That will open this page like this. And go to your section settings. And the first step is to choose a background color. It does not matter since you want to create a transparent background, so any color will work. Just only one thing you need to do is set this transparency to 0, just like this. Now I don't see this navigational logo because my background also shows white and the logo is also white and the text is also white. So actually these are there, but it's not visible to us. Anyways, and in the next step, it's better to use a min height. In my case, I think that it's 90 pixel minimum height, and if you set a minimum height, to make sure to set this same amount of negative margin to the section, so minus 90 pixel, so that will pull this big content from the below under this header. After you update this and refresh this page, you see that this header is transparent. So the negative margin is pulling this banner to the top, from the top, so it looks good. Now let us see the second option that will make a header like this. Once we scroll, we want this to shrink and have a semi-transparent background color. In the background, I removed all the customization, and now this header looks like this. And I opened this second header in a new tab. Let's make this semi-transparent and stick to the top. So once again, right click and go to this header setting. The first step is to make sure that it's stick to the top. So this is the option is sticky to the top. And for the offset value, I choose 15 pixel. It's not mandatory, but it will look good. That means if you scroll 15%, 15 pixel, then this animation will take place. And I choose a fade-in animation. That's it. So if I save this, this will stick to the top. Let me show you once I update. This will stick to the top. If I take a hard refresh, sometimes caching is causing issue. So this is now it looks like. So if you take it one step further, go to your custom CSS. I already have written a CSS for this entire header that will do all the heavy for you. This is not very crazy going here. This is very simple CSS, but if you do not understand, just let me know. I will explain later this post. And if I scroll, this will look like this. You can change the background color and whatever, and just make sure that you set this transparency, say, to 0, and update. And also update, refresh the page. This will look like this, but if you scroll at least 15 pixel, then you will see this effect. So this is how it works. If you will scroll, this is semi-transparent, but you can change the transparency from here. Currently I have 0.7, that means 70%, but you can change this. Also you can change this reddish color to something else you like, and you can always change any hex color from RGBA, and just paste your color here and the transparency. And if you think that this header is too much short in height, you can increase the height here. So currently it's set to 50 pixel once you scroll, and this is the normal height, and it will become 50 pixel once you scroll, and the logo will shrink as well as the text will shrink. So this is how it works. Let me show you the CSS quickly. And this once the Elementor sticky effects class has been added to this header, that means if we go to the motion effect and stick to the top, then Elementor will automatically add this class to the header. So this is how we are targeting and writing this CSS. And this is link, I mean this this text, my navigation menu text, it will become 10 pixel, but if you want to make it bigger, then you can change it to 15 or 12 or whatever you like. And this is just a transition, that means this animation will take 0.9 second to finish. And this is logo. My logo is horizontally big, but if you have a square size or circle logo, then you may need to change this width value depending on your logo size. So this is how it works. Therefore, once again, if you have any question, just let me know. Thanks. To download the two header files, see the link in the description below. This video is a part of my blog post. I will link to it, and you will able to download these two header files and import on your website and customize them. And also you will get the CSS that I wrote here. And if you download and import the header files, then you don't need to write this CSS additionally. This is just because once you import the header, then this CSS will be automatically inserted in your project.